Hello everyone. So many students are asking कि सर 10th एंड 12th के बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम्स जो रिमेनिंग एग्ज़ाम्स है वो कब होंगे. सो टुडे CBSE has released a press note. So I'm going to review the press note, even today's press note as well as 1st April press note. Okay. So I have opened CBSE website. Click for CBSE website. Okay. So press release about board exams dated 29 April 2020. So I'm going to open this. So CBSE, with regard to conduct of class 10th examination, several queries are being received by CBSE in this context. It is once again reiterated that remaining examinations for class 10th, as stated in the press release dated 1 April 2020, will be conducted by CBSE. So whatever the CBSE has mentioned in 1st April 2020 press note is going to be conducted soon. So it is once again clarified. CBSE वापस से clarify कर रहा है कि adequate time of 10 days will be given to all stakeholders before starting the examination. So when examinations is going to be conducted, so CBSE will give at least 10 days time. So therefore, there is no change in the position of holding board examinations. And the position continues as per information given by press release dated 1 April 2020. So whatever it is given in the press note 1st April 2020, CBSE is going to conduct. So it is also informed that examinations of all the subjects, लास्ट की 2 लाइन इंपॉर्टेंट है. इसमें हमारा 10th एंड 12th जो भी आंसर लेना चाह रहे हैं, जिनको क्वेरी है कि एग्जाम्स कब होंगे, क्लियरली CBSE ने मेंशन किया. इट इज ऑल्सो इन्फॉर्म दैट एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स ऑफ क्लास 10th and 12th as mentioned in press release will be conducted after assessing the situation after the lockdown is over. So when lockdown will be over, CBSE 10 days का टाइम देगा आपको इंफॉर्मेशन देगा कि एग्ज़ाम कब कंडक्ट कराना है. तो 10 डेज का टाइम CBSE देगा. सो ये है आज की प्रेस रिलीज, दैट इज 29 अप्रैल 2020. So let us review the press release of 1st April. So here is the press release of April 1st, 2020. CBSE. Okay, so in this press release, most important thing is here. Schedule for class 10th and 12th board exams. So with regard to rescheduling board examination for classes 10th and 12th, it is informed that at this stage it is difficult for the board to decide and announce the new schedule for examination. However, it is informed that any decision that the board will take with regard to the conduct of examinations will be taken by undertaking extensive consultation with higher education authorities. So इसमें मेन जो है कि सब्जेक्ट कौन कौन से सब्जेक्ट के एग्जाम्स होंगे, दैट इज गिवन हेयर. द बोर्ड विल कंडक्ट examination for only main subject that will be required for promotion and may be crucial for admissions in higher educational institutions. Only main subject के एग्जाम्स होंगे, उसके अलावा कोई और सब्जेक्ट के एग्जाम नहीं होंगे. For the rest of the subjects, the board will not hold examinations. Instructions for making assessment in all such cases shall be separately issued by the board. So इसके अलावा अगर मेन सब्जेक्ट के अलावा board is not going to conduct an exam, and marking in and assessment in any internal exam to be given, वो CBSE उसके लिए separate circular issue कर देगा. So therefore, as and when the board is in a position to hold examination, it shall hold examination only for the following 29 subjects. तो subjects of class 10th for which exam will be held. In whole India, there will be no 10th board examinations. It is clearly mentioned on the left hand side, okay? And to be conducted for Northeast Delhi, but those who are in 10th, Hindi course A, Hindi course B, English Com, English language, literature, science and social science exam will be conducted for class 10th in Northeast Delhi. Okay, now come to class 12th, subject of class 12th for which exams will be held to be conducted for whole of India. इंडिया में कौन कौन से एग्जाम्स होंगे? फर्स्ट, बिजनेस स्टडीज, ज्योग्राफी, हिंदी इलेक्टिव, हिंदी कोर, होम साइंस, सोशियोलॉजी, कंप्यूटर साइंस, कंप्यूटर साइंस न्यू, इंफॉर्मेशन प्रैक्टिस ओल्ड, इंफॉर्मेशन प्रैक्टिस न्यू, इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, बायो टेक्नोलॉजी. दीज आर मेन सब्जेक्ट्स ओनली, नॉट ऑप्शनल्स. जिन जिन के पास ये सब्जेक्ट मेन सब्जेक्ट में है उनके एग्जाम्स होंगे ही होंगे एज पर CBSE टिल 29 अप्रैल 2020. Okay, and to be conducted for Northeast Delhi, English elective N, English elective C, English core, मैथमेटिक्स, इकोनॉमिक्स, बायोलॉजी, पॉलिटिकल साइंस, हिस्ट्री, ये सब्जेक्ट्स के नॉर्थ ईस्ट दिल्ली में जो लोग हैं उन लोगों के लिए इन सब्जेक्ट्स के एग्जाम्स होंगे. एंड फिजिक्स, अकाउंटेंसी एंड केमिस्ट्री, तो ये उन लोगों के लिए जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट दिल्ली में. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट 10th and 12th board exams. So CBSE has clearly said, avoid rumors. To avoid being misled by rumors, all stakeholders are hereby informed to only trust the official announcement by the board that are made on board's website. So information given by Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, avoid these all. Only trusted sites को ही फॉलो करना है, किसी और साइट को नहीं. ठीक है. सो टिल नाउ एग्जाम्स इज गोइंग टू कंडक्ट आफ्टर लॉकडाउन इज ओवर एंड ओनली मेन सब्जेक्ट्स, जिन जिन के मेन सब्जेक्ट्स हैं उन्हीं का एग्ज़ाम होगा, ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट का एग्ज़ाम नहीं होगा. और लॉकडाउन के ओवर होने के बाद आपको 10 days पहले इन्फॉर्म कर दिया जाएगा कि आपका एग्ज़ाम कब होने वाला है. ओके, गॉट इट. सो थैंक यू सो मच, हैव अ ग्रेट डे, बाय.